Hi everyone, in this video we are going to cover the definition of ecotone and age effect and age species. Fine. So I can make you understand with the help of this diagram only. So this is a land. Land ecosystem, and should I say terrestrial? That sounds better. Terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Suppose you have this terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Obviously there is a transition zone. When you go from this way, suppose this from terrestrial, when you come from this manner, in this manner, you see a transition. See, यहाँ पर भी पानी है, यहाँ पर कुछ लैंड है, यहाँ पर कछुआ है, यहाँ पर एक फ्रॉग है. So ये जो transition zone है, the zone which lies between two ecosystems is an ecotone. Very important. I again repeat, here it is also written a transitional region between two adjacent ecosystems that contains some of the species and characteristic of each one and also contains बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है इंग्लिश में, छोड़ दो. Let's understand it. This one is a terrestrial one, this is aquatic one. कोई भी हो सकता है, यहाँ पर कुछ और भी हो सकता है, ग्रासलैंड हो सकता है, डेसर्ट हो सकता है, यहाँ पर फॉरेस्ट हो सकता है, डेसर्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है, डजंट मैटर, जो भी है. द zone between two ecosystem 1 and ecosystem 2 is ecotone. This is the basic definition. Okay, so I hope you have understood it. For example, mangrove, grassland. मैंग्रोव क्या होता है? I hope you know and heard about Sundarbans. We have estuaries. Sundarbans, in the Sundarbans, in one side we have terrestrial ecosystem and in one side we have aquatic ecosystem, and the transition zone actually is mangrove. And what is there in mangrove? The Royal Bengal tiger, several Sundari trees, the diversity there, the species diversity. You can easily say that the species diversity is more than the aquatic ecosystem and the terrestrial ecosystem in mangroves. So we get a good point. ये टेरिस्ट्रियल में तो रॉयल बंगाल नहीं रहते, हाँ कभी कभी आ जाते हैं, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग. और ये रिवर में भी तो सुंदरी नहीं थे, तो इस रीजन में आ गए. दैट इज एन इकोटोन. इन इकोटोन we have species diversity more than the two ecosystems. You get my point, I hope. Also the population density, कम एरिया है ना, बट बहुत सारे स्पीशीज रहते हैं. सो यू कैन से द पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी is greater than the two ecosystems. Population density, okay, this is very important. Mark the point. Population density is greater and species diversity is greater than the two ecosystems. A very important concept and important for prelims exam. Population density and the species diversity in an ecotone is greater than the two ecosystems. If you want to note it, please note it down. Then let's come to age effect and age species. What is age effect? As I've told you now, that the species diversity is greater than the two ecosystems. The population density is also greater than the two ecosystems. This phenomenon is known as age effect. And suppose the Royal Bengal tiger is greater than the surrounding area. So obviously the Royal Bengal tiger is age species here in the mangrove. And I want to give you some other examples. We have done with mangrove. Let's have now grassland. What's grassland? Suppose we have desert area, desert ecosystem, and we're just heading towards forest ecosystem. In the midst of this, we will find the grassland ecosystem. I mean, this is also an ecotone here, grassland ecotone. Here birds, number of birds are enormous than the forest and desert, in grassland. The majority community is grassland, so it's major community, major minor community. I haven't discussed it, but we can have a look on the concepts of major, minor and stable community as well. I'll try to make a video on that in the next. Not so important. So that is ecotone. So birds will be the, क्या है ये predominant है, बहुत सारे हैं, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम, age species. Understood? So that is the concept of ecotone. Easy है ना, उतना tough नहीं है. So I hope the concept of ecotone, age effect and age species is very much clear to you. In the next video I'm going to cover what, क्या cover करेंगे, हाँ ये दोनों कवर करेंगे. फिर क्या है, फिर कुछ नहीं है, हो जाएगा, और कुछ टाइम से हम देख लेंगे. ये इम्पोर्टेंट है इस चैप्टर में जो मैंने पढ़ा है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, बायोम्स, इकोलॉजिकल नाइक तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और इकोटोन भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.